Alright, so we got these Mossy Oaks, 5315, 11 and 1 tool, lifetime warranty, bruh. These, there's your UPC. These are at Walmart for $2.50. Oh shit, that other video I just shot, I didn't show any UPCs. Oh well. Wow, sorry guys. Alright, so this was already open, so I bought like 20 of these today. Dude's like, hey, is there any more left? I'm like, dude, just take one out of my bag. Have fun with that, bro. Oh, yo, thanks. I'm talking about the employee. Just take one out of the bag. $2.50. Fuck do I care. Alright, so this is kind of stiff. I wonder how long that'll last. Was I like starched or someone getting jizzed all over it? Alright. Nothing special there. Just lifetime. Nothing special there. Oh, is this the little thing we want? Is this a booklet? Oh. Here you go. For when I mispronounce everything and call it something that it isn't. Because it's oh so important. Cover my damn light up. Even though the damn light is blinding everything and this thing isn't focusing. There you go. Alright, so. It's kind of like a rubbery feel. Rubber's coming off it. Already scraped it. That's like a, it's like a rubbery feel, and there's some coming off of it there. All right. Seems to click into position. Oh, look at that! Bang! Right in the face. Ding, ding. Hey, they're lined up. Oh, I should go. Let me go pinch that nipple. See what happens. Oh, it's got cutters too. Look like they're offset. I wonder what that'll cut. Cut a hanger at least. Oh wow, they do. They're offset. Oh wow. All right. What else is mysterious about this? We got our thinger. Alright, what is this? The fuck is this? Is it supposed to come out? What is that? Oh, does that let you open it? Alright, let's see. Oh, that's the backing to everything. Anyhow, let's go right here. Let's see what this is. Ow, that's the saw. It's a little sharp. Oh yeah, that's got some sharp ass teeth on there. I'll tell you what. Let's click into position. Oh, so that unclicks it. All right, that's what those are. There's already like 5 people on the channel. Oh, that's what they're... And then they're like, oh, delete, 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 delete. And then I'm over there pinning it to the top while they're trying to delete it. That's right. You want to act like, you want to look stupid? Alabage. Oh yeah, because this is open. This is, it's got fingerprints all over it. That's so gross. Let me lick my fingers. That's a little, that's sharp. Yep, that's sharp. This here makes this illegal to sell in the Facebook marketplace. Isn't that crazy? Because it's a knife. Oh my God. So dangerous. So we got these 2 things here. We got your can opener. Most everything is twist top, so what's the even point of that anymore? And so these used to have like a knife in there so you can open cans. I mean, you people probably don't even know what the hell I'm talking about because everything is just for pansies, easy to open now. But I have another method. I have a video, a real old video. And this is video 500 actually. I'm probably blinking that shit already. I have an old video. Let me guess. It's probably video 54 that shows you how to open a can without needing to do anything. You just rub the can on a rock, cement, whatever. And it'll eventually cut through the... Oh, you gotta pull this back to release that. Okay. And let's see what's on this side. This should be like a nail file. Oh, wow, that is pretty... That's pretty coarse. I'll tell you what. That'll get some boils off your asshole. Yeah, those are pretty coarse. Okay. And then here is your Phillips. I wonder what this part is for. And here's your Phillips. Is that 11? I should have counted it because that doesn't seem like much. Oh, another knife. Really? Did it really need another knife? Did it now? Did it really need another knife? Apparently this doesn't have all that much. 11 is low, a low count. So we got 1. Oh, that's so you can pull it out like this. 2. And again, the comments are all telling me that, you know, now they're trying to delete them. Or they're just going to double down stupid, and then I'll just pin them and triple down that they're stupid. 3. 4. 5. Oh yeah, there's 1. 6. I feel like I'm going to come up short. 7. I'm going to come up short of 11, aren't I? 8. So where's 9, 10, 11? Where the frig are those? Hammering something with it? Oh, the wire cutters. Why can't this thing focus? Really, they're calling long pliers the long... Jesus. So there's 3 at the top. 4. They're counting that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Really? They're counting the clip as a tool. They're counting this as 2 pliers. So that's another. That's 3. Like what? So when you're using it as a standard pliers, you have to try not to use the long portion of it. Otherwise, you're doing it wrong. And look at, they are calling that a can opener. That's not a can opener. The can opener, like I said, will be a knife, so you can go around and pry around it. That's not what that is. That wasn't sharp. It would be called bottle opener. I think old school, it was called a can opener because it was sharp like that. But that ain't what it is anymore. You can't call that a can opener. You can, but you being a liar, yo. Which one is it? This? Yeah. That ain't no can opener. It's not sharp. No, I'm not even showing you friggin' reeks. Yeah, this is not a can opener. It's a bottle opener. But it's the same tool as the can opener, but the can opener would be sharp right there. So you jam this in there, and then you go and all the way around the can and open it. But that's not what it is anymore. It's just a bottle opener, and most bottles are twist tops anyway. Anyhow, how long is this video? Wow, another long one. Well, happy 500, motherfuckers. Let's put this in here so you can know that pliers is counted twice and the clip is counted. And when you put these in here, you want to put them clip in. Clip in. You want to put them clip in. Which reminds me, don't I have one of these already open? Shit, man, I opened another. You want to put it clip in, because if you put it clip this way, if you put it this way, when you go to take it out, the clip is going to grab the edge there. So you want to put this in like this. And the reason why I know that, because I already have one of these open. Shit, man. Now I got two of them open. Damn. Damn, yo. The other one must be broken in, because I can't get this one to easily. Accept its fate. Just gotta break this thing in a little bit. Damn, girlfriend. Put a ring on that. Alright, there you go. Mossy oak. UPC. What is this? 5315? 5315. 11-1. Really, 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 it's a 9-in-1 multi-tool set.
Adam Curry, he's the Podfather, and then there's like Adam Carolla, there's a few other people, but I came right after that.
Yeah.
2009. So no one knew what the fuck we were doing, and I think there's certainly been some times where I didn't want to admit that it was reaching as many people as it was.
Yeah.
Is she done?
Yeah.
Yeah?